Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Outlok data file cannot be configured error during OST migration. This error occurs when Outlok fails to open or configure the data file. As a result, you can't access emails, contacts, or calendars. Why this error occurs? This issue usually happens due to corrupted OST or PST files, a damaged Outlok profile, moved data files, faulty add-ins, or system and registry problems. Solution 1. Recreate OST file. One simple fix is to recreate the OST file. Close Outlok, open Mail settings, delete the existing OST file, and restart Outlok. A new OST file will be created automatically. Limitations of manual solution. However, manual methods have limitations. They are risky, time-consuming, and require technical knowledge. They also fail for large or severely corrupted OST files. The only tool that can help. To avoid these issues, use the Advic OST repair tool. The download link is available in the description. Features of the tool. This tool can recover emails from healthy and corrupted OST files. It exports data into multiple formats, works with orphaned OST files, recovers attachments. Steps to repair OST emails. Run the tool on your system. Choose recovery mode. Add the OST file. Select the required format and click Convert. And that's it. This is how you can safely restore emails from OST files without data loss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Advic Software.